in agricultural local government area of Rivers State. I'm a legal practitioner based in Port Harcourt, and I've been in legal practice for 26 years. But before I graduated and became a lawyer, I attended Calabari National College, Buguma, and obtained wax certificate in 1988. Thereafter, I proceeded to Rivers State University of Science and Technology, now known as Rivers State University, and obtained my LLB certificate in 1996. I then proceeded to Nigerian Law School and was called to bar in 1998. Thereafter, I enrolled in the National Youth Service in Lagos and passed out in 1999. And then I commenced my legal practice thereafter. I started my practice in Lagos, subsequently moved to Abuja, and then finally relocated to Port Harcourt, where I opened my law office and christened it as Frank-Fubara & Co. I'm the managing solicitor of that law office, and we have been in practice ever since. Thank you.
Therefore, when your name was forwarded to the House, we saw Fubara, and what came to our mind is Executive Governor of Rivers State. We want to know, is there any linkage? Is it your elder brother, your father, or anything? Thank you.
Leader, the name Fubara.
I saw a lot of posts on social media alleging all sorts of things. But let me put the past very clear. I am from Abonima, and I have no any blood relationship with the governor. The only relationship I have with him is a working relationship. That is it. Secondly, in respect to this your public engagement of whether I have been involved in any public engagement, yes, I have. I have been appointed into several committees, several boards, commissions in Rivers State. And I believe that that has also built my profile, to engage in public service. I believe and I know that I have the requisite qualifications, the requisite experience to handle, as you know, the law profession, we are regarded as learned. We have touched almost every sector that you can just imagine. And I know that wherever I find myself at the end of the day, I will be able to discharge the duties of my office creditably